is a super easy Christmas treat that you can make that is like not necessarily Christmassy, but it's the right colors. So you just need a ball of the fresh mozzarella. These are the pearls. I find these in the specialty cheese section in Walmart. And then some vine ripe tomatoes. I really like this brand. They're super good. Some fresh basil, some toothpicks, and then you're just gonna assemble them. And then you'll serve with a little bit of balsamic dressing at the end.
Can I do this plate, Mom?